Greetings, viewers. I was out here doing an oil change on my Volvo XC60 here, and came across something. I heard that MANN is the OE manufacturer of the Volvo filters. So I decided to go with MANN this time. Now, this is a WIX filter. I've been using these for quite a while, and they've got the plastic housing here, and the fins, quite a lot of fins in there. And then this is the MANN one. To me, this just looks cheaper. You know, I mean, look at that. This one's got, you know, a plastic housing on the WIX, and the MANN is just, I don't know what this is. There's the inside of them. The fins are much bigger, but there's fewer of them. And this is like some kind of paper material, whereas this, the WIX one, almost looks like felt. And I don't know, I think this would filter a lot better. I'm still going to put this in my car because I don't have a whole lot of choice, but I think I'm going to go back to the WIX.